Good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel RDS Group. Class, as you all know that yesterday I have explained you present continuous tense and present perfect tense in your notebook. So let us start the book work. Okay? Everybody go through the page number 61. As you can see, here is given. So our next tense is present continuous tense. So first I will explain you whatever is given in your book about present continuous tense. Actually, it is same to as notebook, as I have already explained. So I will explain in short. Okay, the present continuous tense is formed by am is are plus present participle ing. Okay, as you all know, right subject. How do we write the rule of the present continuous? Subject, okay, helping verb, that means is mr plus main verb plus ing form plus object. Okay, this is the rule of present continuous tense. And what do you use and how do we use am are is with the subject? So here is given a rule. So we use this tense to talk about things which are happening now. That means the work is going on. Whenever the work is going on, then we use the present continuous tense. Okay, so with I we always use am. With we, you, they, we always use are. That means if there is given a main verb as work, then we write am working, we are working, you are working, they are working. Okay, with he, she, it, we always use is. He is working, she is working, it is working. Okay, next you can see the examples. For example, we can see I am reading. The birds are building a nest. That means this is subject, this is helping verb, this is main verb plus ing, and this is object. The phone is ringing. The phone is subject, is helping verb, ringing is main verb. Okay, will you answer it? Look, the bus is coming. Now you are able to identify where is given the subject. Actually, some students have given the answer as a rule this, but if I have told you clearly what is the rule of present continuous, then why have you not written that? ओके, उसमें एक एक चीज़ क्लियर थी, आपने शॉर्ट में ये लिख दिया. क्यों शॉर्ट में? आपको ये पता है प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल क्या होता है? नहीं पता है, बट आपने आंसर दे दिया. तो क्यों इस तरह से दिया? जब मैंने आपको रूल एक ऐसे बॉक्स में कवर करके बताया है पूरा रूल, देन यू ऑल विल राइट दैट. वो लिखिए, वो आपके लिए है ना, एज अ किड वो आपके लिए सही है. आप बच्चे हैं, आपके लिए वो क्लियर है. द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज द चिल्ड्रन आर प्लेइंग. The children is subject, are is helping verb, playing is main verb. That means main verb plus ing form. That is clear. Move forward to the next page. So let us see. Here is given exercise. Exercise 2. What are these people doing? Here are given some pictures of people, as you can see, and now you are able to see what they are. What are they doing? ये सब क्या कर रहे हैं? अगर इसमें ऑप्शंस नहीं भी दिए होंगे तो भी आप जान जाएंगे. सो फर्स्ट यूज़ द फॉलोइंग वर्ब्स टू कंप्लीट द सेंटेंसेस इन प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. अब आपको इन्हीं वर्ब को, ये जो दी गई है दैट आर गिवन इन द बॉक्सेस, आपको इन्हीं को इसमें लिख करके बतानी है कि लोग क्या कर रहे हैं. what are they doing. Okay, so first sentence, as you can see, here is a lady, she is cooking. So but here is given the first form of the verb, and you all know in present continuous tense we use ing form of the verb, and you all know ing form is known as present participle. So what she is doing? She is cooking. So you use helping verb and then main verb plus ing. She is cooking. Next you can see that he is reading. So here is given our read. So he is reading a newspaper. If object is not given, then you will write by your own. Next, what he is doing? He is watching TV. Okay, as you can see, here is given watch. So everybody add ing form. He is watching TV. Next, she is writing on the board. As you can search the word write from here. Okay, here is given, I think, this one, write. Okay, So she is writing on the blackboard. Here is given the next, you know the baby is sleeping, so take the word sleep and make ing form. The baby is sleeping. Then they are laying the plates on the table. टेबल पे लोग क्या लगा रहे हैं, प्लेट्स लगा रहे हैं ना, रख रहे हैं. दे आर लेइंग द plates on the table. Okay, now you can see he is painting. The boys are fighting. He is skating. Okay, so now you all have written the continuous form, okay, by using the is, am, are wherever it is necessary, and you have also used the ing form. Let us see the next page. Everybody come to the page number, I think 63. Okay, let us see what is given in present perfect tense. This is next rule. I have already explained you yesterday. We use the present perfect tense for actions in the past when we are not thinking or talking about the exact time. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का हम यूज़ करते हैं पास्ट के लिए, जो काम आप कर चुके हो, दैट मीन्स आपका वर्क कंप्लीट हो चुका है, तो उसके लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं. और जहाँ पे एग्जैक्ट टाइम का पता नहीं होता है. ओके, दे मे बी रिजल्ट नाउ, there may be results now. This tense links the past with the present in some way. ये tense जो है वो लिंक करता है past को present से. ठीक है, so how do we use? As you all know, what are the helping verb that are used in present perfect tense? Has and have. Okay, has and have are the helping verb. So how do we use has, have? So with singular form with singular form he, she, it, we use has. Okay, and main verb third form. So he has worked, she has worked, it has worked. And with I, we, you, they, we use have. These all are plural. I is used in plural, we is used in plural, you in used in plural, they is used in plural. They have worked. Okay, I have worked, we have worked, you have worked, they have worked, and also main verb third form. So in present perfect tense we use has or have and third form of the verb. And what is the rule behind it? So everybody know subject. Next time जब मैं पूछूँ आपको ये लिखना helping verb. And what are the helping verb? Has, have, okay, have and bracket बंद plus main verb third form plus object if necessary. जहाँ पे दिया हो तो यूज़ करेंगे, जहाँ पे नहीं दिया होगा हम नहीं यूज़ करेंगे. ओके, नाउ लुक एट सम सेंटेंसेस. मिस्टर सिंह हैज़ गॉन टू कोलकाता. ओके, मिस्टर सिंह हैज़ गॉन टू कोलकाता. मिस्टर सिंह कोलकाता गए. ओके, ही इज़ नॉट हेयर नाउ. अब वो यहाँ पे नहीं है. सो मिस्टर सिंह इज सिंगुलर, सो वी यूज़ हैज़ एंड मेन वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म. I, with I we always used have. Lost, third form of loss is lost. I have lost my identity card. I have finished with the newspaper. With I always use have and finished. We have bought a new car. Have bought. Okay, we use have and main verb third form. Then where have you been? Okay, yes, this is also the third form, and with you we always use have. Okay, and this is the interrogative sentence. Now compare two columns. What is given in the two columns? Present perfect tense and past simple past tense. Okay, what is given in here? The present perfect is used when the time is not specific. Present perfect tense का हम यूज़ कब करते हैं? जब कोई specific time नहीं दिया होता है. I have seen that beach already. ओके, सो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का यूज़ करते हैं जब कोई टाइम ना दिया हो. आई हैव सीन दैट बीच ऑलरेडी. ऑलरेडी देखा, वी डोंट नो व्हेन, कब देखा हमें नहीं पता. येट देखा, ऑलरेडी देखा, सून देखा, नेवर नहीं देखा. तो जो भी वर्क हुआ है, बट हम देयर इज़ नॉट गिवन द स्पेसिफिक टाइम. एक टाइम नहीं स्पेसिफिक दिया है, वहाँ पे हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का यूज़ करते हैं. दैट मीन्स वी यूज़ हैज़ एंड हैव विद द थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. द सिंपल पास्ट टेंस इज यूज व्हेन द टाइम इज क्लियर, जहाँ पे क्लियर टाइम दिया हो, जैसे कि थर्सडे, आई सॉ दैट बीच ऑन थर्सडे, हमने थर्सडे को देखा है, थर्सडे इज द एग्जैक्ट टाइम, आपको पता है थर्सडे को देखा है, सो दिस इज द एग्जैक्ट टाइम, सो वी यूज सिंपल पास्ट टेंस, दैट मीन्स we use second form of the verb, that means we too. Okay, now see some sentences. Note the use of two tenses in the following sentences. Wrong, I have seen the movie last night. Okay, so this is wrong. Last night हमने देखा है, तो it is clear, it is exact, ये टाइमिंग दिया गया है, so we use past simple past tense, so we use only second form of the verb. I see the movie last night. He has gone out a couple of minute ago, आपको पता है couple of minute ago ये चले गए, तो time is confirm, time confirm है, so we use second form of the verb. He went out a couple of minutes ago. Okay, so come to the next page, and this is your last page, page number 64. Let us start our exercise. Exercise number 3. Complete the sentences using the verbs in the box in present perfect tense. You can also use not where necessary. अगर आप चाहें तो कर सकते हैं, जहाँ ज़रूरत है, नहीं चाहें तो आप ना करें. Okay, and you have to choose the word from the box. Okay, number 1. I dash the letter. Letter क्या किए जाएंगे? Post. And you have to fill the present perfect tense. So you all know we use has, have with the main verb third form. Okay, so I have posted the letters. Somebody dash my purse. Purse क्या हुआ है? Steal हो गया है. So we used has or have with the third form of the verb. So somebody has stolen. Somebody is always used in singular, so we write somebody has stolen my purse. She has cooked the dinner. She has cooked the dinner, main verb third form, and has. They dash out the tickets. Ticket क्या की जा सकती, बेची जा सकती हैं. So with they is plural, so we use have and third form of the verb. Sell का क्या हो जाएगा? Sold. They have sold out the tickets. Hurry up the train dash. With train we use has because it is singular, and we use arrive third form, arrived. They dash a new house. Okay, there is a plural, so we use have and third form of the verb. They have bought a new house. Next, we dash our holidays yet. Here is given the word plan, so with we use have and third form of the verb planned. We have planned our holiday yet. He dash 5 letters to her, so with we always use has, so he has written 5 letters to her. Written is the third form of the write. Okay, so now this exercise is completed. Next, come to the exercise 4. As you can see, complete the sentences using the verb given in the brackets. Use simple past tense, past or perfect tense. Now you know the difference between the simple past tense and present tense. If the time is confirmed, okay, if there is given the specific time, then you use simple past tense, means main verb second form. And if your time is not specific, then you use present perfect tense, that means has, have and main verb third form. Okay, so let us start the sentence first. Last year, this is confirmed कि last year की बात हो रही है. Last year we dashed to Italy. So what is the second form we use? First I will tell you what do we use. So we use second form of the verb. Okay, what is the second form of the verb? Go. So went is the second form. Last year we went to Italy. Emily and Molly dashed their lunch yet. Okay, टाइम इज़ नॉट स्पेसिफिक. येट है, अब येट कन्फर्म नहीं है, येट अभी, पर कभी पता नहीं है ना. टाइम इज़ नॉट स्पेसिफिक, सो वी यूज़ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. सो व्हाट डू वी यूज़? हेयर इज़ गिवन प्लूरल, सो वी राइट प्लूरल helping verb means have, and then write here is given not, so we use not, and third form of eat, eaten. So Emily and Molly have not eaten their lunch yet. You dash all the new words. You needn't worry about the test. So with you we use helping verb have, and not is given. Not given. Cut the not here. Not नहीं यहाँ पे लिखना है. ओके आप इसको कट कर लीजिएगा. बाई मिस्टेक आई हैव रिटन. So you have learned. Third form of learn is learn. Actually time is not specific. Okay, सिर्फ यही तो दिया गया है कि you all the new words. So it is present perfect tense. So we use present perfect tense, that means have. And third form of the verb is learnt. You have learnt all the new words. You needn't worry about the test. Next, I dash my aunt last week. Last week is given the confirmed time, specific time. So we use simple past tense, that means second form of the verb, visited. After that, next sentence, I dash my aunt last week. Okay, so I dash my aunt last week. So here is given visit. So what do we use? We use second form of the verb. I have already explained, sorry. Next, I dash chocolate fudge ice cream before. Before means पहले. कब पहले? Time is not specific. We don't know about the specific time. So we use present perfect tense. That means with I we always use have. And third form of try is tried. I have tried chocolate fudge ice cream before. Okay. Next. John and Peggy dash their homework. Now they can watch the film. Okay. So John and Peggy, and there is time is not confirmed, it's not specific, so we use present perfect tense. Okay, so what do we use here? Have. Okay, with plural we always use have. So John and Peggy have, and third form of the do, done. Okay, I dash my friend 2 days ago. 2 days ago means time is specific. Okay, so we use simple past tense, that means second form of the verb. What is the second form of the verb? Meet, met. So I met my friend 2 days ago. Class, today this chapter is completed, and one important thing that I want to tell you, that in this chapter we will not do the worksheet, because we will do the worksheet after completing the present tense, past tense and future tense. That means at the last of the future tense I will provide you worksheet. Okay, because these all three chapters are related to one another. That's why I will give you worksheet after completing 3 chapters. Okay, yes. So thank you for watching the video. That is enough for today, and today I will provide you PDF. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you and have a nice day.